What's up, my stylish people? Welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another hair tutorial, and this hair tutorial will be all around my natural hair, you guys. I will be get into the nitty gritty with this naturalness of my hair, you guys. You guys have seen me cut my hair like twice on my channel before, and you guys have seen my hair at its natural state with texturizer, with all type of things. But now I just came to the conclusion that my hair was actually breaking off. It was doing more damage and shedding than it is being healthy and growing. So I decided I was going to do another cut on my hair, you guys, just to get it at its natural state. If you guys fail to realize, when you cutting so much of your dead hair off, it tends to grow back even thicker, healthier as ever. So I don't mind cutting my hair off, especially when is it's going to work out for the best. I'm cutting it off for the better and for my hair to grow back stronger than ever. I'm not sure what necessarily happened to my hair. Why did it start to shed as much? But my hair have always shedded, but I don't understand how come it just started to, break in certain areas as much. Because if you guys remember the video that I posted when I did my ponytail, my hair had grew to a great length, and after that it just seemed like it was doing a little bit of damage. So yeah, you guys, so I just freshly shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and yeah, I sprayed some heat protectant, and I'm just going to flat iron my hair and see where we're going to go from here. I'm not for sure how short I'm cutting it, but most importantly, I'm just wanting to get rid of the deadness, the breakage, the damage, all damaged areas. I just want to pretty much cut off. So yeah, you guys, I'm back at this square again. Hopefully this will be my last time cutting my hair, but y'all, my hair grows. I don't know. I think it's my hands. People have always told me I have growing hands. Everybody have always wanted me to do their hair. They just, like, my family really wants me to just get in their head, always just rub my fingers in their head. So I don't know. If y'all believe in it, y'all let me know down in the comment bar. But I've always thought I have growing hands. So with me just doing my hair in general, my hair have always grown. Like, it's very fine, but my hair will definitely grow. So yeah, I don't mind cutting it. And yeah, like I said, I'll be cutting it for a good reason, good cause. So yeah, you guys, so just watch me flat iron my hair. I'm just going to flat iron it before I start, to cut. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, find this video helpful. Let me know down in the comment bar what y'all think about the cut and how y'all like it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos so y'all can be updated. Yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed it and continue watching. So you guys, as you can see right here, I had a lot of split ends that need to be chopped off. Like, I have to trim this, cut this, whatever you want to call it. I have to get rid of it. I'm taking my shears that I've only used to cut my natural hair, so I'll be using these to do this cut today. And I'm just going to go with it, y'all. Like, here we go. Like, just don't turn it back after this. It really, really needs it. Y'all can hardly tell the difference after I'm done. Y'all, look at that. It was just so damaged, and I can't stand to see it. Like, if you somebody like me, you gonna move quickly and get rid of it. Like, I just have to get that dead weight off. So yes, you guys, you gonna see me just trimming it, cutting it, Like I said, I don't know how short. I'm just gonna be working, going with the flow. Whatever I feel that needs to be removed, I will be removing it. It's just gonna look so much better at the end, y'all. So just trust the process. Y'all can see that it looks so much damaging on the other side compared to the side that I'm cutting. And with this, y'all, I can say that it is a little bit of struggle to cut this yourself. So if you're not like a professional, y'all know I went to school for hair. I've been doing hair for years. So if you're not a professional, please do not try this at home. Have someone to help you out, especially with the back part. It was a little bit tedious and a little struggle for me, but I got it done. You know, I feel like I can do anything. So yeah, you guys. So just be very careful and mindful of that. But I'm just going to get it, even as much as possible. And yeah, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch it because y'all already know my videos is self-explanatory. So I'm just gonna be cutting and cutting until I feel like it's at its natural state, it's at a healthier length where it can grow evenly and thicker, healthier, and all that good stuff. So I hope y'all find this video helpful. Let me know down in the comment bars if y'all enjoyed this video. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Some skills. I can be anything with all this melanin.